Namaste, my name is Payal and I'm one of the lead yoga trainer from Bodhi School of Yoga. Yoga has been a part of my life for more than 10 years now, and my practice has made me stronger, more flexible, fearless both on and off the mat. Teaching has always been my passion, and what better platform I could have asked for myself other than Bodhi to start my professional journey. I completed my 200 and 300 hour teacher training course, and now I am a proud lead yoga trainer at Bodhi. I teach yoga philosophy, hatha yoga, vinyasa, teaching methodology, relaxation techniques, and mudra pranayamas. If you are also looking to turn your passion into profession, come join us and empower yourself physically, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually.